Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of vehicle merchandising: photography. High-quality photos can make or break a sale, so we're going to show you the best practices to make your vehicles stand out and attract more buyers. Let's get started. First up, preparation. Before you even pick up the camera, make sure your vehicle is ready to be photographed. 1. A clean vehicle is a must. Wash and wax the exterior, vacuum and dust the interior, and remove any personal items or clutter. Pay special attention to the windows, wheels, and mirrors. 2. Choose a location with a clean, uncluttered background. Avoid busy streets or areas with too much going on in the background. A neutral setting with minimal distractions works best. 3. A tripod can help keep your shots steady and professional looking. Make sure your lens is clean and free of smudges. Next, let's talk about lighting. Good lighting is essential for capturing clear and appealing photos. The best lighting is natural light. Shoot during the early morning or late afternoon when the light is softer. Avoid shooting in the harsh midday sun as it can create strong shadows and highlights. Be mindful of shadows and reflections. Position yourself so that the sun is behind you, illuminating the car evenly. If you're indoors, ensure the area is well lit with even lighting to avoid dark spots. Try to keep the lighting consistent across all photos. This helps maintain a uniform look and makes the vehicle appear more professional and attractive. Now, let's get into angles and composition. Here are the 25 essential shots you should take to give buyers a comprehensive view of the vehicle. Front view, straight on. Front 3/4 view, from the front corner. Rear view, straight on. Rear 3/4 view, from the rear corner. Driver's side view, full side profile. Passenger side view, full side profile. Front seats, driver's side, interior shot. Front seats, passenger side, interior shot. Back seats, interior shot. Dashboard, full view of the dashboard. Steering wheel and instrument cluster, close up. Center console, close up. Infotainment system, close up. Gear shifter, close up. Front tires and wheels, close up. Rear tires and wheels, close up. Engine bay, with the hood open. Trunk open, showing the space. Sunroof or moonroof, if applicable. Headlights, close up. Tail lights, close up. Side mirrors, close up. Unique features, any special features, for example custom rims, decals. Condition details, any minor scratches or dents. Documentation, photo of the vehicle's key documents. Example, manual, service records. These angles ensure that buyers get a complete view of the vehicle, both inside and out. Make sure to focus on any unique selling points and be honest about the vehicle's condition. Framing and focus are critical to making your photos look professional. Ensure the vehicle is centered in the frame and the horizon is level. This gives a balanced and professional look to your photos. For close-up shots, focus on the details. Make sure the important features are in sharp focus, such as the infotainment system, gear shifter, and unique details like custom rims. Crop out any distractions from the background and straighten the images if needed. This helps keep the focus on the vehicle. Maintain a consistent look across all your photos. This creates a professional and cohesive presentation of your inventory. By following these best practices for vehicle photography, you'll be well on your way to creating compelling listings that attract more buyers and boost your sales. Remember, high-quality photos can significantly influence a buyer's decision, so take the time to get them right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your dealership success. See you next time.